Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a comprehensive and widely adopted cloud platform provided by Amazon. Launched in 2006, AWS offers a vast array of services including computing power, storage options, and networking capabilities, among others. These services cater to a diverse range of applications and industries, making AWS a cornerstone of modern cloud computing. Here's an overview of AWS, its features, benefits, and use cases. Key features. Compute. AWS provides various compute services, the most notable being Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2. EC2 allows users to rent virtual servers to run their applications. Other compute services include AWS Lambda, which enables serverless computing, and AWS Elastic Beanstalk, which facilitates quick deployment and management of applications. Storage. AWS offers scalable storage solutions such as Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, and Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS. S3 is used for storing and retrieving any amount of data at any time, while EBS provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. Databases. AWS supports various database services, including Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, for relational databases, Amazon DynamoDB for NoSQL databases, and Amazon Redshift for data warehousing. Networking. AWS networking services include Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, which allows users to create isolated networks within the AWS cloud, and AWS Direct Connect, which provides dedicated network connections to AWS. Security and identity. AWS offers robust security features, including AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, for controlling user access to resources, and AWS Key Management Service, KMS, for managing cryptographic keys. Machine learning and AI. AWS provides tools for artificial intelligence and machine learning, such as Amazon SageMaker for building, training, and deploying machine learning models, and AWS Deep Learning AMIs for machine learning and deep learning applications. Benefits. Scalability and flexibility. AWS allows businesses to scale their applications and infrastructure seamlessly. Resources can be scaled up or down based on demand, ensuring cost efficiency and optimal performance. Cost effectiveness. AWS follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, meaning users only pay for the resources they consume. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments in hardware and software. Global reach. AWS has a vast global network of data centers, known as availability zones, spread across various regions. This allows businesses to deploy applications closer to their end users, reducing latency and improving performance. Reliability. AWS is designed to be highly reliable, with built-in redundancy and failover mechanisms. Services like Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS are engineered for durability and availability. Use cases. Web hosting. AWS provides the infrastructure needed to host websites and web applications, ensuring high availability and scalability. Big data processing. Services like Amazon EMR, Elastic MapReduce, and AWS Glue facilitate the processing and analysis of large data sets. Enterprise IT. Companies can migrate their enterprise applications to AWS, benefiting from the cloud's scalability, security, and cost savings. Internet of Things. IoT. AWS IoT services enable the connection and management of devices, allowing for real-time data collection and analysis. Conclusion. Amazon Web Services has revolutionized the way businesses deploy and manage their IT infrastructure. Its extensive range of services, coupled with scalability, cost efficiency, and global reach, make AWS a preferred choice for startups, enterprises, and government agencies alike. By leveraging AWS, organizations can innovate faster, reduce costs, and focus on their core business activities.